Welcome back, Crypto Rico here with another one. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Put on that bell notification so you too could be notified when we're over here experiencing the abundance of money, man. You guys do not want to miss out. Do not miss out on the $100 giveaway. Simply like, subscribe, follow me on Twitter, tag me and a friend on Twitter. That simple, that easy. Win the $100, use the tips and tricks in the video to make it grow, or simply go spend it. None of this is financial advice. I'm bringing financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said and out the way, let's get started. Okay, so this is part 2 to the video. There was a little delay because I had to let the video download. Welcome back to everybody that's watching part 2. Congratulations. Because right now, we're still holding that one position, right? And I want to identify this really quick. For those who are just starting, this is the ideal look. This window right here, this is what you would want to see. One second. This window right here, this whole little section right here, this is the perfect... Oh, it's not going to work. This all the way down. I don't know why I didn't come all the way down. I'll put another one. This little window right here. And the MACD high looks like this. The volume busting out like that. Oops. Okay. I'll just put that one over like that. But you see the volume busting through. This is that perfect opportunity, right? When that zigzag line comes down. Right now we're picking it apart in this area because I did this part and I wanted to drop the video. So this is where we're at. Remember, we're not buying back in again until if it gets oversold or whatnot. Okay, so remember that's that perfect look right here. This area right here, that's what you would want to see. This right here for your first, because then this little window of opportunity to ride that's green right there. When you get better later on, you can do what I'm doing right now, where I seen it oversold on the MFI. I'm seeing that the chart is starting to turn around. There we go, and you see. And we didn't get shooken out of our position. Why? Excuse me. Not because of any crystal ball or anything like that, but because of all these indicators are letting us put our emotions in check, where we can be sure of what's going on later on down the road. Now we got that purple line coming down. Looks like it's about to be coming off on the other side. I wouldn't even add to my position. I would just keep this. No need to be greedy. The best thing you can do is practice to be in the green. Even if it's $10, $20, practice to trade in the green. Eventually, all it is a game of decimals. But practice to trade in the green back to back. So now we got another 10 seconds on this one. On this next candle that's about to show up. Let's see what we got. Hopefully we get another cross on the bottom. 3, 2, 1. We're seeing the timer down here. Boom. Another cross on the bottom. Okay. So now we got the cross on the bottom. We got the MACD showing us that we're very bullish. Right. We got hollow candle. We got the white line crossing over. The MFI has all this time to run, and that's how you find your exit. Because now we're talking about the entry. What would be the exit? That zigzag line coming up for sure. But me personally, what I like to do, the minute I see it tap up here, I like to just take my money off the table. Because notice that the zigzag line didn't make that motion from here to there. It only does it on the highest price and the lowest price. And that's how you know how when you're getting in at the ultimate low, so you know you can ride that wave. So right here, I would have took money on the white MFI and just to play it safe. And then I would have loaded up just like I said right here in this area. And now we would have been rocking this up. We're already in the green basically. Yep, definitely right now. And then you can have the confidence of riding this wave. Of course, it's not financial advice. Ask me questions. I am here for everybody. So just ask me questions. If you guys got any questions on this, please let me know. But you basically have all this range till you see this white. The white one come out on top right here. It might be different colors when you first set it up, but like I said, just go to the MFI, go here, go to style, and then you can add whatever colors you want, whatever suits you best. Okay. Okay, let's close this. And now look at us. We're right in the green. And then when we break this green line right here, which is a EMA. Oops. There we go. When we break the 100 moving average, it goes pretty crazy. Okay, so we got a good position right now. Let's erase these drawings again, or just hide them for now. But this would have been that ideal entry. And this is just a 1 minute chart where you can pick this apart nonstop. Look at us. We're riding right now. And like I said, we have the confidence of why? Because the candles are still hollow. The crosses are still on the bottom. We're breaking through that 100 moving average, which is very significant. There goes another one with the cross on the bottom, right? We still don't have no white on the top. We go to the 3-minute chart. We got a cross that just came out on the bottom on the 3-minute chart that just started. So that's telling me that it's going to continue to be bullish for at least another 3 minutes. So our 1-minute chart is looking very, very healthy right now. That's what I be trying to explain when I'm talking about layering the times, because they give you a little bit more confidence, especially, you know, I'm a day trader normally. So it helps for this type of trading. There's swing trading. There's all kinds of different trading. It helps for this gap and go type of trading. So right now we're in the green. What you could do the minute you start getting close to this area, you can, you know, sell 25% of the time, so 25% of your bag, you know, just to make sure you secure what you what you first put in, and then let the rest of it ride. Or you can just wait till this white line comes off, because it has to hit it no matter what, because it was oversold, and it was oversold significantly. It did it twice, and it did it twice here, and we only got one little white tap right there. So there we go. We definitely have to make up for these on this top side. When I gamble, and you know, and I use that phrase very lightly, waiting for it to pop way up over and above like that, no, I would not, to be honest with you. When I see that white tip come out like that, I'm not going to be greedy. I'll just take my money off the table, and then I'll just wait for the same setup again where everything's looking oversold. I got the same indicators, right? Right now we see the momentum slowing down, but we're not worried. Why? Because the 3-minute chart just put a candle across on the bottom. The candle's coming out hollow, and the 3-minute chart does not play. It's going to ride for a little bit. So there we go. I guarantee this candle will probably turn back hollow, or the next one would be hollow. We got the purple line on the bottom. This is my thought process. I'm constantly looking at all these things simultaneously to make sure that my position is still good. I never walk away. I'm not trying to chat with nobody. I got all my attention right here, making sure that I'm constantly lining up everything that I need to see, so I can make sure that I don't have my emotions. Because the minute you don't start using this, you're going to start trading with your feelings. That's where you start making errors, okay? If the chart gets messed up on you, just hit the space bar and it'll adjust it. If you move it by accident like that or whatnot, hit the space bar and it moves. And just use the arrows on your keyboard up and down, and it changes the time frames, okay? So right now we got that one. It came out red. We got two solid ones. I still believe that we're going to be hitting that white mark right there, just because this right here, you know, we got that cross right there. We got that zigzag down. It's ready to go rock up. And you know that when we go bullish, it always breaks through the red cloud. We go down when we break through the green cloud. When we're breaking up, we break through the red cloud. So we're going to keep an eye on this right now. So just stay tuned. You guys watched part 1 already. This is part 2 of the video. So you guys are getting plenty gems right now. This is all in my technical analysis course. This is how you can make money while you're waiting for your tokens to take off right now. Okay? And please load it up with comments, likes if you guys like these videos. And eventually we're going to be doing some live streams on this. And so like that, we can have an open live dialogue, and we can even probably show profits that we're making and whatnot like that. So we're just watching it right now. Nobody said it was going to be a lot of fun, but you know, it is fun when you get to spend the money. Okay, so let's just wait. We got 36 seconds on this one, you know, and we're waiting to see it touch that white line. You could have took profits because we're already in the green. If we got in from down here and we got in this area, we're definitely in the green. If you would have got in on that perfect mark where you see the main indicators, the ones that I put in the rectangle, of course you would even be way more up right now. But again, like I said, even though I think that it would continue going up eventually, the minute I would have seen even all these indicators show me that it was a buying opportunity, the minute I would have got my white indicator right here on the MFI, I would have made my move and took my money off the table. So right now we're rocking up. We got 1 second left. Let's see this next candle. What do we got? Boom, a green candle. Okay, there we go. There we go. We got another cross on the green candle. We got a cross on the next green candle for the 3 minute, and it's also hollow. So like I was saying, when you layer the time frames and you see that it's hollow, and remember, trade with the trend. The trend is your friend. Right now we're doing really good and we're looking really good. Okay, so let's just see right now the 1 minute, we're still going up. And you can literally wait till it shows the white right there and then take profits. You can take profits now because, you're in the green or whatnot like that. But I hope that these videos helped out and you guys like these videos, and maybe we'll do more of these. If you guys load them up with comments, share these videos, and like that we can start a separate bag for everybody like that while we're waiting for our other tokens to take off. So continue to come back, experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time, later.